guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you another hairstyle that I like to do in Sid's hair. So first things first, you're going to divide the front of the hair from the back of the head, and I'm just basically parting from one ear to the next. And now I'm just going to put the front up so I can focus on the back of her head and make life easier. And first things first, I'm using the Pantene leave-in conditioner. This stuff smells really good. Her hair's already wet, so I'm going to put that on there. And then once I put it in, I'm going to make sure I get all of that in the back of her head. And now the fun part. This style is super easy to do. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making a part from one ear to the next, and I'm going to be using some jam and a little bit of my Eco Styler gel, and also you'll need a rubber band once you put the product in, as you will see. And I forgot to mention that I didn't show the products, but I'm using jam and Eco Styler, just like I said previously in her first little rubber band. And I'm going to make sure that her sides are flat so that way I can put it in kind of like a little pony. And as you see, I'm grabbing her first one and I'm putting it into her second one and combining them. And you'll basically just keep repeating the same steps until you finish, or however you want to do the style. And now I'm going to be putting a little bit of hairspray on her sides so that way they kind of just lay down a little bit more, because she does go to school and she takes a nap and I don't want her hair looking crazy, which of course it will, but this will help to make the style last a little longer. So now I'm going to move into the front of her hair, and I decided to keep it simple, and I'm using the same product, just the Pantene leave-in conditioner. And I'm going to make sure I put it all through her hair and make sure it's getting towards the ends of her hair as well. And I'm just doing a side pony, and I'm making sure I take the back of her hair and put it into her ponytail so that way it's all together. And that is it. She is all done. This is such a quick hairstyle. I got tired of her braids. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.